today I'm going to explain how BrightHub can work seamlessly with Windographer. Windographer is a leading industry piece of software that is used by many of you for data cleaning and data validation. Of course, BrightHub allows you to do data cleaning, but if you're more comfortable using Windographer, then it's really easy to export raw data from BrightHub, bring it into Windographer to go through your typical cleaning process, and then export a cleaning log from Windographer and bring it right back in to BrightHub so that you have one centralized place for both your raw and your clean data accessible at any time. So let's open up BrightHub and let's jump to an open source data set we prepared for this example. Here's one in Papua New Guinea. So first off, how does Windographer integrate with BrightHub? With BrightHub, you're able to export an assembled time series in a single CSV. We can download the assembled time series. You can download the entire time series as naturally selected here. There's also another video that I'm going to do soon talking about how to export clean data from BrightHub, which is a new feature. Let's, for the moment, download the raw data. So next, let's load our data into Windographer. So here we go at the top left, plus sign. Let's bring in our exported data set. And right here, you can see Windographer has, with the speed 1 _ 80 meters _ 25 degrees, it's recognized the height and the boom orientation. So it means you can get going with your cleaning really easily. So next, let's try flag some data in Windographer. Here we go to the flag manually. Let's select this piece of data here, and sure, let's call it icing and apply flag to that segment. Press OK, and now we flag the data. Next thing is we want to export the cleaning log from Windographer and bring it back into BrightHub. So how do we do that? We go to File, we go down to Export Data. It's an XML file that needs to be exported, and we export the flagged segments. So let's do that. Let's export, call it something useful. Now let's jump back to our station on BrightHub. Here we have it. Go to the cleaning tab. And once that's loaded, you can see all the different plots that we have in this cleaning tab. But the main thing we want to do is go down and add in the cleaning log from Windographer. So down here at the bottom, click on these 3 dots. Press Upload Cleaning Log. Let's go find that cleaning log. Here it is here, and let's upload it. So there you have it, quick as a jiffy. You've got the data in for cleaning all of those speeds for icing for this time period. And now if we scroll up to the graphs above, do we see this gap removed? Yes, we do. Here it is on the bottom left. I'm going to zoom in on that part of the data set. And there you go. You can see the data has been removed. We even click invalid data, and there you go. You can see all the invalid data that's been removed. So there you have it. That's a quick overview of how you can use Windographer directly with BrightHub and how you can continue to use BrightHub as your single store of truth for both your raw data and any cleaning that you do either in the browser in BrightHub or with your favorite UI tool, Windographer. Thanks for listening, and make sure to follow us or follow our BrightWind LinkedIn page in order to get more updates like this about BrightHub.